For years, the Ford Bronco has been one of the most capable off-road SUVs on the market, combining classic styling with modern technology and impressive trail performance. Yet despite its popularity, one topic has repeatedly surfaced among owners and enthusiasts: the reliability of the 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6. While the vast majority of Broncos have performed well, reports involving early engine failures, valve-related issues, and manufacturing defects created concern among buyers. Now, heading into the 2027 model year, Ford has continued refining the Bronco's powertrain lineup with manufacturing improvements, updated calibration, and durability enhancements aimed at increasing long-term reliability. Rather than introducing an entirely new engine, Ford appears focused on making its proven EcoBoost engines stronger and more dependable. So, has the long-discussed 2.7L problem finally been put to rest? Here's what buyers need to know. Understanding the early 2.7L EcoBoost concerns. The second-generation 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6 quickly became a favorite among Bronco buyers because it delivers an excellent combination of power, torque, and fuel efficiency, producing around 330 horsepower and 415 pound-feet of torque using premium fuel. The twin-turbocharged V6 gives the Bronco effortless acceleration while maintaining excellent crawling capability on difficult terrain. However, some early production engines built during the first years of Bronco production experienced isolated failures. Among the issues reported were valve failures caused by manufacturing defects, sudden engine damage in low-mileage vehicles, metal contamination following internal component failure, complete engine replacement under warranty. Importantly, these problems have affected only a relatively small portion of production and were tied primarily to specific manufacturing batches rather than an inherent flaw in the engine's overall design. Ford responded by updating production processes and replacing affected engines under warranty where necessary. What changes for 2027? The biggest story for the 2027 Bronco isn't a brand new engine. Instead, Ford has continued refining nearly every aspect of the existing EcoBoost lineup. Key improvements include updated quality control procedures during manufacturing, improved inspection of internal engine components, revised engine calibration, continued refinement of turbocharger management, enhanced durability validation before production. These improvements may sound small individually, but together they represent years of engineering lessons applied to an already capable engine platform. Modern engine development rarely involves complete redesigns every few years. Instead, manufacturers continuously improve manufacturing precision, software calibration, materials, and assembly methods to eliminate weaknesses discovered during real-world use. The proven 2.7-liter EcoBoost remains. Rather than abandoning the twin-turbo V6, Ford has kept the 2.7-liter EcoBoost because it continues to deliver outstanding real-world performance. Current highlights include twin turbochargers, compact graphite iron blocks, direct fuel injection, dual overhead camshafts, excellent low-end torque, strong towing capability. This engine remains one of Ford's most advanced gasoline V6 power plants. The combination of direct and port fuel injection also helps reduce carbon buildup compared with earlier direct injection-only designs. Improved software makes a difference. Engine reliability isn't determined solely by hardware. Today's powertrains rely heavily on sophisticated software that controls fuel delivery, turbo boost pressure, ignition timing, cooling strategy, transmission behavior, torque management. For 2027, Ford continues refining these calibrations to improve drivability while reducing unnecessary stress on engine components. Smoother boost transitions, optimized shift scheduling, and improved thermal management all contribute to better long-term durability. Transmission refinements complement the engine. The Bronco's 10-speed automatic transmission has also benefited from ongoing software updates over recent model years. Drivers have reported improved shift smoothness, gear selection, low-speed operation, off-road responsiveness. Rather than introducing a completely new transmission, Ford has focused on optimizing the existing unit through updated control software and calibration refinements. The result is a more polished driving experience both on the highway and on demanding trails. Off-road performance remains outstanding. Engine updates haven't changed what makes the Bronco special: The 2027 model continues offering advanced four-wheel drive systems, electronic locking differentials, GeoAt, goes over any terrain modes, trail turn assist, trail control, disconnecting front stabilizer bar on selected models, high ground clearance, excellent approach and departure angles. Whether climbing rocks, crossing sand dunes, or navigating muddy trails, the Bronco remains one of the segment's most capable off-road vehicles. Better long-term confidence. Perhaps the biggest benefit of Ford's continued engineering improvements is increased owner confidence. Manufacturing refinements often don't receive the same attention as all new engines, yet they frequently produce the greatest gains in long-term reliability. Lessons learned from early production allow engineers to improve component consistency, tighten quality tolerances, refine supplier processes, enhance inspection procedures, reduce manufacturing variation. These behind-the-scenes improvements help minimize the likelihood of the kinds of isolated failures seen in some early production engines. How does it compare with competitors? The midsize off-road SUV market has become increasingly competitive. Key rivals include Jeep Wrangler, Toyota 4Runner, Land Rover Defender, Lexus GX, Chevrolet Colorado ZR2 Bison, pickup alternative. The Bronco continues standing out through its combination of strong turbocharged performance, modern suspension, comfortable highway ride, exceptional trail capability, removable roof and doors, advanced off-road technology. Its 2.7-liter EcoBoost remains one of the most powerful gasoline engines available in the class. Maintenance still matters. Even the most refined engine depends on proper maintenance. Owners should continue following Ford's recommended service schedule, including regular oil changes using the specified oil grade, high-quality oil filters, cooling system inspections, air filter replacement, spark plug maintenance, prompt attention to warning lights, software updates performed during dealer service visits. Proper maintenance plays a major role in ensuring long engine life, especially for turbocharged powertrains. Is the 2.7-liter problem finally gone? The phrase, "the problem finally dies," makes for a dramatic headline. But the reality is more nuanced. Ford has not announced an all-new 2.7L EcoBoost engine for 2027, nor has it declared a sweeping redesign specifically to address one flaw. Instead, the company has continued the typical automotive process of refining manufacturing, improving quality control, updating software calibrations, and incorporating lessons learned from earlier production. For prospective Bronco buyers, that is encouraging news. Early manufacturing-related issues that affected a limited number of engines prompted corrective actions, and the 2.7-liter EcoBoost has matured into a well-established powertrain with strong performance credentials. Combined with ongoing production improvements and routine maintenance, current model Broncos should offer greater long-term confidence than the earliest examples. Final thoughts. The 2027 Ford Bronco doesn't reinvent its powertrain. It refines it. By sticking with the proven 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6 while enhancing manufacturing quality, software calibration, and durability validation, Ford is taking the evolutionary approach that often delivers the most meaningful reliability gains. For drivers seeking a powerful, capable, and adventure-ready SUV, the Bronco continues to be one of the strongest choices in its segment. While no engine is completely immune to mechanical problems, the evidence suggests that Ford has addressed the manufacturing concerns that affected some early production 2.7-liter engines and continues to improve the platform year after year. If you're shopping for a 2027 Bronco, the focus should be less on past headlines and more on the current vehicle's proven capability, ongoing engineering refinements, and the importance of proper maintenance. Those factors, not a single redesign, are what will determine how well the Bronco performs over the next 100,000 miles and beyond.